Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Figma. Whether you're working on a design project that needs adjustments or you're experimenting with different text layouts, knowing how to quickly modify font sizes will save you time and give you more creative control. Let's jump right in. First things first, open your Figma application. Once you've got Figma up and running, you'll need to open the project where you want to change the font size. This could be a presentation, a website mockup, or any design file you're currently working on. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right project before moving forward. Now, I'm going to teach you different ways you can change font size in Figma so you'll have multiple options depending on your workflow. Let's start with the most straightforward method. Locate the text you want to modify and click on it. This will select the text layer and bring up all the relevant options you'll need. Once you've clicked on the text, shift your attention to the right side of your screen. You'll see the Properties panel, which displays all the settings for your selected text. Find the section labeled Typography. This is where Figma keeps all the font-related controls. Within this section, you'll see the font size displayed. You can directly input the font size you want by typing a number into that field. Alternatively, if you prefer to choose from preset options, click the drop-down menu next to the font size and select a size from the list. This method gives you precise control and is great when you know exactly what size you need. Now let's explore the second method, which is more visual and intuitive. Look at the bottom toolbar and click the arrow down beside the mouse icon. From the menu that appears, click on Scale. This tool allows you to resize text by dragging, which is perfect when you want to adjust sizes visually rather than numerically. Once you've selected the Scale tool, adjust the size of the text by dragging it. You'll see the text grow or shrink in real time, making it easy to find the perfect size that fits your design. And that's it. You've just learned 2 efficient ways to change font size in Figma, giving you the flexibility to work however feels most natural to you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.